So my first AirPods 1 here is almost 3 years old now, so the battery life starts to get really bad on these ones. So I bought AirPods Pro today. So let's start by unboxing this and then set these up on my iPhone XS Max. As usual, really nice box from Apple, as you can see, really nice. Here it says AirPods Pro, as you can see, and as usual, really nice packaging, as you can see. Really nice, like so. And then the magical box from Apple, as you can see, really nice, like that. Here we have some documentation and so on. I don't think there is any stickers anymore. I miss the Apple stickers that we got before with every product. I like them a lot. But anyways, here is the documentation, and here are the AirPods Pro itself. Quite much heavier than the original actually. But what's more in the box? The different earplugs, different sizes of them. Nice. And also a charging cable. The AirPods Pro has a wireless charging case, so you can use them on a wireless charger. That's really nice. But if you want to charge them normally, you can use this USB-C to Lightning cable to charge them. I think that's great to have in the box. As you can see, Lightning and USB Type-C. Nice, really nice. So that's what's in the box. As you can see, we put the rest together again, like so, and then we will check out the latest AirPods Pro. I know that they will release a new version soon, the rumors say so, but I was really in need to buy this now because the battery life was terrible on my version 1. Really nice packaging, I really love that. Like so. And here they are. They start to pair to my iPhone immediately when I open the box. And here we have the right one, much heavier than the original one. Hope they are as comfortable, because I need them to be comfortable if I use them almost all day. As you can see, I think it's the medium-sized bud that is on them default. So that's about it. Now let's do some settings with these ones. Okay, so let's try and set these new AirPods Pro up now. Let's open the box and wait for the best, like so. As you can see, connect, it says in Swedish, and I click connect, and now they are connected. And now there is a guide on how to use noise cancellation and everything else on these ones. The button you have on the stem and so on. Control center and all that. Really cool. So now they actually are connected. So let's go into the settings here and see. where they are in the settings. AirPods Pro, as you can see there. Click on this and you see some information. We have the name of them, Stefan AirPods Pro. And we have noise cancellation off and transparency. And you can use different commands on the right and left stem. We can see what you can choose. Noise reduction, noise cancellation, transparency or off. We can use Siri. Okay, so maybe we do on the right one, we choose Siri, like so. And we have a test here to see if the ears are fit for this size of earbuds. So let's try that out. We have automatic ear sensor, microphone automatically, and so on. So let's do that guide and test of how good these buds are fit in my ear. So now I have them in my ears. I don't hear anything almost, so that's nice. But let's do the test here. Okay. Let's do the test. Now they are properly inserted in my ears. Now we do the test. So this size was good for my ears, the test says. And I think it actually is, because they works really great. I don't hear much when they are in, but we do the test again. Really nice. So that test is great. And we have noise cancellation on now. Now I have it off. So I think that is really terrible actually, because I don't hear anything now. So with noise cancellation it feels much better, because no echo in my ears and something. So when I have this on, it's much better. But let's try transparency. Okay, so now I can hear everything around me while having them in my ears. And I think this mode is the one I will use the most, because I use my AirPods a lot at home when my wife is here and I need to be able to be talking to her while using my AirPods. So the transparency mode is great for me, I think. So at the moment I think I'm ready, because the size of these earbuds was perfect for me actually. I like that. But when noise cancellation is on, I don't hear anything. That's pretty amazing actually. Oh, I like this. I hope you like this video, because I need more subscribers, and please like this video if you are happy with it. Please do so. I need likes and subscribers. Bye.